My crafty friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm here to work on the Gooseberry Patch cookbook journal that we started working on. We did a collage on the back probably in the last video, and I said I would come back to work on the pockets. So I got the papers ready so you wouldn't have to watch me cut paper. But I got the pockets ready, so I'm just gonna show you what I picked out. I'm gonna glue them down to get them fixed up here, but I had this scrap, and it's the paper. It's a double-sided paper, but it's got, this one has a little appliances and things on it, cooking-related things. So cute. I love it. And since this is squared off, this little frame here, I'm leaving it squared off to fit right into there. And we're going to glue it right down there with some Fabri-Tac. So let's do that and get started. This video won't be too long. We're just doing the pockets today. After this video, I am going to be hanging out with my granddaughter here at my house for a while today. So I won't be able to do any more videos today. I don't believe, unless I do them after she leaves. But usually after she leaves, I'm ready for a break. She's 3.5. Oh, she'll be 4 in November. So anyway, we're going to have some fun with her. Or at least I am. I don't know what my husband's doing today. But yeah, I might take her to McDonald's and get her a Happy Meal, have a little lunch or dinner or whatever. But okay, so this is the background. But anyway, so any crafting I'm doing with her won't be on video. So this is the front of the pocket, and it's a nice yellow and white gingham that goes well with all the colors here. I'm going to round these top corners because that makes it look, I think it makes it look more like a library pocket. It's going to go right over there like that. So I'm just going to glue on 3 sides for this. And then I picked out a little piece of ephemera from the papers that I showed you that I'm working with in the last video. And so after this, I'll be done with the cover, I think. And so when she's here, I can craft, but just I can't do a video, you know what I mean? So I'll probably work on the pages, getting the pages together. So I'll probably do that, and if I can, I'll even sew them in. I'll come back and we'll decorate and whatever, do things with ephemera. So, but as always, if you're interested in this journal, before I get it done, you can reserve it for purchase. That's what that means when I say you can reserve it. I have, customers that sometimes will say, I want that one, save it for me, and when you're done, I'll purchase it. So that's what I mean, save it, reserve it for purchase. And then I will, when it's done, I would list it on eBay for you, and you would purchase it from eBay. As a reserved, I'll put reserved in the listing so that no one else will purchase it. So let's see, this is going to be a little belly band. This is the decoration. I'm just putting glue on either side of these little tabs, and it'll be a place where you can tuck something in, but it's a little piece that goes really well with the colors. It says Sunnyside Chicken Farm, farm fresh eggs here around the circle, and then it has a bowl of, it says fresh on it, and a bowl of farm fresh eggs, a bowl of eggs. So we're just going to put that right in the middle. Right about there, I would say. Okay, so that's going to be that. We'll let that dry. And then if you remember, if you saw the last video, I said I would cover up everything here. I had to go outside this green frame a little bit because they have this little tomato timer. It's sticking above this green frame, and their picture here is sticking below the green frame and out of the frame here too on the side. So I wanted to cover all that up. I didn't want any of that like showing above my paper, It would be okay, but it wouldn't be, I don't know. I just didn't think it would be like a good finished look to have those things peeking out. So this piece of paper, I liked I had a long enough piece. It was a scrap also, but it's long enough to fold up and cover up this whole area. I was really pleasantly surprised. And so I'm going to also leave it squared off at the top because I'm using this reddish part here as the frame for this piece of paper. So I like that. And then, you know, as you saw, I rounded the corners there. So I'm just going to put a little glue on the sides, glue this pocket together. And this paper came from the Authentique Delicious. And so did that other paper there. I wanted to use, since I didn't even realize I still had that, I just found it, I wanted to try to use, and this is older than the other paper. Like, I don't know how many years ago. I bought this probably 4 years ago, at least. This Authentique paper has probably been hanging around in my craft room. The other one probably been a couple years. So, anyway, there we go. And now we need to glue it down to the book. Yeah, so I need to keep that, let that dry. It needs to adhere there, that pocket. Okay, so we're going to glue this down here. And all using Fabri-Tac today for the moment. And like I said, well, this is more papery in here inside the cover. It's not slick like the outside. But this is cardstock I'm using here, and I just want to make sure it's nice and solidly glued down. So let's see. I'm just looking at it to see where I might need glue to make sure it's all glued down here. Corners, sides, edges, whatever. Okay, so we're going to glue that over everything here, and I'm kind of tucking it under the fabric right there too, a little bit. Okay, so that covers up everything, sides, top, bottom, so we're good there. You see the little frame, doesn't it look pretty around the paper? So we have a nice, pretty big pocket here. And I thought I would put, I thought this was so cute, Life's a Bowl of Cherries. I thought that would be a great ending to this journal. And the red, it looks good with the red. It just looks really cute and pops on this background. So I think I'm just going to leave it just like that and glue it down. It's a journaling, it's a cut apart or journaling card from the Authentique Delicious kit, I believe. It's a little bit hard sometimes if you combine kits and put them together, you know, which is from what, but I think this is from the Delicious one. Because I have some from like a, I don't know what the other one's called that I have in there, a few pieces. But it's something like a sassy kind of retro kit, but I don't have anything with the name on it, so I don't know. So this could be from that, the sassy retro kit, I'm gonna call it. But I don't know what the name of it is because I don't have anything with the name on it in there. Okay, so isn't that cute? Oh, adorable. And it just will make you smile when you turn to the back, right? Life's a Bowl of Cherries. So cute. It'll make you smile when you need a smile. There you go. And sometimes we need a smile, don't we? All right, so that's it. We did our back pocket. We did our front pocket. There's a pocket here, and we made this into a tuck spot. Isn't that adorable? In fact, maybe I'll put this in here. Family forever, for always, and no matter what. That's cute, and somebody could decorate something with that. So I'll just stick that right in there for now. Maybe I'll leave it there. Probably will. And maybe even put something else in there. You never know what I'll run across, right? So anyway, thanks for watching. It's making progress. Looking pretty cute, I would say. I love it. So anyway, stay tuned for next time. I'm not sure where I'll be as far as progress, but I might have, like I said, the pages in, sewn in, the signatures, and be ready to decorate. So decorating could definitely be our next video on this journal. And I have another idea for a video too that I really want to try. It's something really simple. If you like to make super simple ephemera, but using up your stash, things you already have in your craft room, this next video that I'm thinking of doing could be for you. So stay tuned for that. I can't wait to dig into it. And I'll see you then. Have a great day.